Hello! In this tutorial I'll teach you how to create your first projects with a very simple page based on templates. So let's log in our framework, choosing the advanced workspace, and the system shows these tooltip tour guides so we can learn how to work with the system. So let's just skip them for now, and it automatically detects that we don't have any project created and asks us to create a new project. So let's just put the name of our first project, which will be my first project. I can write a description, a logo too if I like to. Let's just keep it simple and just put it continue. Then the system asks us how do we want to build our projects. So we can do it from scratch, where we'll create our own pages, and this is the option that we're going to select. Or we could just use pre-built programs that someone did before that do a bunch of actions, and we can incorporate that programs into our own application, into our own project. So we currently in our store we have a few. We have programs to build blogs, which already have blogs built, on online newspapers, social networks, task managers, and others. So let's just go back to keep it simple, and let's just choose empty projects. And let's go to the project dashboard. Again, let's skip the tours, and in here we can see that we have the project dashboard, the project that we created. So let's just click in this button here, add new, so we can create our first page. Well, it's not our first page because the project already comes with the indexed page. But let's just create a new page called test. Let's click here, create. And the system will ask us how do we want to build our page. So we want to build from scratch, designing all the items, or do we want to use a pre-built page? So pre-built pages are like pages that someone did before. We have a bunch of pre-built pages in our store, like corporative pages, portfolio pages, pages to list articles, pages to show specific articles, to see events, list events. So we have a bunch of pages that do a bunch of different things. And then additionally, if you don't like any of the pages that we currently have, we can go to the advanced features, click in this option here, put the URL of some page that you want to clone from the web, that you like, that you see from other company or from a friend, and you can put the URL here and put next, and the system automatically will clone that page into your project, so you can start work based on that page that you download. But for now, let's just keep it simple, and let's just choose this option, create the page from scratch. So let's click here, and automatically the system will open the page editor. Again, we have here the tooltip tour guides explaining how the page editor works, so let's just skip this for now. And next, the system detects that this is a new page and asks us how do you want to design your page. So do you want to design it from scratch, where we're going to build each HTML element, where you need to build the structure and each HTML element, or do you want to use a template that we already have in our store? A template is basically a theme, is a layout, a pre-built layout with a specific structure, where you can edit a specific region, specific places. And the advantage of using templates is that you can use the same templates or the same theme for for multiple different pages. And by changing that template, automatically all that pages they get changed. So let's do the browse templates. Currently we don't have any template installed, so let's click here, import a new template, and we can see now the templates listed in our store. So we can click in a template, we can play with it, we can see if you like it, we click here in this button, install this template, where the system will download and install the template for us. After the template installed is listed in here, where we just need to click in the template and choose the specific layout that we wish to show in our page. So let's select this layout here, and automatically the canvas shows that specific template. where we can see that this template has 3 regions. So all the rest belongs to the template, is static information, we cannot change, and what we can change is what appears in the regions, in these blocks here. If we want to change this static part, we just need to open the main settings and click in this link here that says to edit the current template, please click here. And if we click there, then we can change all of these. For now, we'll not do that, we'll just drag and drop some widgets into the content region so we can see how easy it is to build a static page. So let's just drag and drop here the carousel widgets, and let's drag and drop these items features. Okay, and additionally in here we could drop here a sidebar, could be this one, where in here we can erase this class so you can do with the same color. Now in here we can delete this guy here and this guy here. We can move these to the top. Well, let's just save just to see what we did until now and preview the project. So currently we have here our templates with a sidebar, with a carousel, and the items features. Well, the items list. All of this is editable, all of these fields. So let's just erase this field here too. Okay, we can change this to bold, change some color, change this to, so all of these, it's editable. All of these items are editable, and you can change these according with your own needs. So we can hide the border so we can see this better. So let's save and let's preview. And voila, we can change the links, like we can point these orders here to a page, we can point it to the indexed page. So this is just an example. So now if we click here, we go to the indexed page, which is currently blank, and basically that's it. Basically this is how to show you how easy it is to create pages. So currently we use the Bootstrap library. The Bootstrap library, it's a UI library. It's the UI library most used in all the roles. If you want to know more about it, just go to your search engine and search Bootstrap, where you go to the getbootstrap.com, their home page, where you can see the documentation, examples, icons, you can see themes, so pre-built pages that you can download and install in the Bloxtor framework. So this is a very complete library, very easy to use for no coders. So we choose to create the page with this library. You don't need to use this library, you can choose other libraries. By default, the framework already contains widgets specific for this library, so we have a group called Bootstrap with a bunch of widgets that you can drag and drop. If we don't have that widgets, if we have some widgets that we don't have here, you can just go to here to the page, just copy paste the code that they have and just upload the code here, and it works too. And basically that's it. Thank you very much.